you.
Look out.
I know. Good, actually.
Are you insane? Get out of here! The curse, it's real! This whole place is a trap! He's after your soul! For the Magi here! It's the only hope!
Silence! With your souls, I shall rule for all eternity.
Oh, I never signed up for that.
I sure didn't.
Zombie accelerations beyond measure.
Oh, that hurt.
Going up or down?
Yeah.
Not even the Magi can save you now. There is no escape. Your end shall be my beginning. Behold your fate. Your destiny. Your souls are
Oh, yeah.
prepare to forfeit your souls. Death is only
Hey, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed yourself. I would have enjoyed this interview a lot more if I had gotten my cup of coffee. Thank you.
That was fun. Man, it got me wet back there when we went down the drop. No, not down the drop, like the fire room. I got like wet. Yeah. Oh, all right.